this is like the coolest job I ever had in my life, and I don't have to do this, I get to do this.
It's a wonderful profession. It is something that you will go home knowing that you helped somebody.
You have an opportunity to profoundly affect people for the rest of their lives. You can actually save lives. And there are not a lot of professions where you can say that, and that's what we do in the healthcare field. Anything is possible in the healthcare field. It's really just like a miniature city within a city. It doesn't have to be just taking care of patients directly as a doctor or a nurse or a respiratory therapist. There are any number of options in the healthcare field.
I graduated from LaPorte High School, and so obviously I knew the organization was here, LaPorte Hospital, but I never thought that I would work at the hospital because my perception of working at a hospital is a clinical environment. So I didn't realize that there were opportunities to work here in a non-clinical way. My job title, Community Engagement Specialist, is really a fancy term for event planner. So I plan all of our marketing events that we do here at the hospital.
In a healthcare setting, IT means a lot of different things. IT means your help desk that a person can call at 2 a.m. and get a password reset or get something functioning that they really need. Maybe it's critical to patient care. IT can mean technicians that go out and repair things.
As a president, have general oversight of the entire hospital operations, everywhere from nursing to billing to ancillary departments such as X-ray, lab, the emergency department. So it's kind of an overall operation. The biggest challenges and the rewards are pretty much the same thing, and that's taking care of patients. You know, patients are sicker than what they have ever been, but however, it's also a very rewarding at the end of the day when you know you're able to help that patient.
We're trying to bring healthcare closer to each individual than ever before. There's a lot of opportunities for folks who are developing apps or devices for smartphones and personal devices. That is an area that's just exploding today. You can literally, with your smartphone, check your blood pressure, get an eye exam, get your ear examined, all of which can be sent to your doctor or provider instantly.
A big aspect of what I think you need for, besides the actual clinical part of our field, is you need to be able to communicate.
Most nurses I know are extremely good at math, otherwise they couldn't be in the healthcare field. They'd be making too many mistakes. So I think that whatever folks can do, build up your strength in numbers, whether that's statistics or calculus or accounting or finance. Those are all good, strong skills to have in the healthcare field.
One of the fortunate things here is that you can come and shadow us for a day or a couple days. Come shadow us as much as you want. You know, we'll let you come in and shadow a nurse for a shift. We'll let you come in and shadow a lab tech for a shift. We would love for you to get a little bit of exposure to see what you might be getting yourself into, because just going into a freshman in college and I want to be a nurse, we want to make sure that you at least have some exposure to it and to know what you're getting into.
I think volunteering is a big part of it. I really believe in the volunteering group that they have here for the teens, that they can get in here and they can see all aspects of the hospital.
I attribute the internship that I got here to where I am today. I had a really great experience, so I learned about the internship program through Indiana InternNet. And so I applied for it, came in and did the interview, and he hired me right away. And that was kind of like the door opened for me to be a member of this organization.
Things change very rapidly. So you keep your mind open, you keep your eyes open, and you're always learning.
I get to save a life. That's an amazing thing. I get to change somebody's life to the better, and I get to be that little part of their life that makes them feel comfortable. Because when you love your job, you really never go to work because you enjoy being there.